Hello friends, today we are going to talk about how to make rounded corners using CSS in HTML. So let's get started. So what we want to give a rounded corner to this. Instead of this sharp corner, we want to give a rounded corner. So what we'll do is we are going to use border radius and then define the value. I want 15 pixels. So you see I have successfully given a 15 pixels. So what if I only want the top right corner, this corner? So what I'm going to do is border top right radius, so it changes only this area. So certainly we can change the individual corners like using this same syntax, but only changing the top right. So for the bottom right we have to type bottom right. For the bottom left. So this is how it goes, and there is a shorthand actually for this. I'm going to show you. Is border radius, then there we can give the 4 parameters here for the 4 corners, starting from the top left. So first I don't want this to be rounded, so I'll give it 0, and then I want this to be rounded to 15 pixels, and then you can see that this automatically does change this too, because this is also valid. The first one is for this, so this will be for this top left and bottom right, and the second one for top right and bottom left. But we can further add values, like if you don't want any corner here, that's fine, but if you want corner, so if you want corner, get it. So 15 pixels, and we don't want this corner, so here. So this is how we apply the border radius individually to each corners. So if you are going to make a nice dialog box, like with rounded message box, like something like top 2 corners will be rounded and bottom will not be rounded. So what we can do is, so this is the top left, this is the top right, so I'll turn this to 0, and then no, actually I want the top one to be rounded, and then 15 pixels, and then turn down this to 0. So I have, and maybe turn up this width to 500. So this is how we can add border radius to our elements. So guys, I hope you understand and you learned something. If you learned something, do share it and hit the like button. Thank you.